Hello learners. In this video, we are going to learn about different types of block present in Java. So I'll create a class which is named as block. Okay, so I created a class. So in this first case, we have a static block. Okay. Now this block is represented with the help of static keywords. Now, why this block is needed? So this static block is executed only one time, okay, when we run the particular program. And also, these static blocks are executed before the execution of main method, okay. And also, this static block execute a single time for the life cycle of a particular program. So how to declare? We are using static keyword, static, then we're enclosing with the curly braces. Now this becomes a static block. So I'll create a simple statement saying this system.out.println. This is static block. Okay. So I'm created a static block. Now second type of a block is called an instance block, or I can say non-static block. Okay. The non-static. Okay, now this non-static block is referred as without a static keyword. So I can say now this becomes a non-static block. So these non-static blocks are executed before the starting of a constructor. Okay, and also this non-static blocks execute as many as times you create the object. For every object, this non-static block will be executed. So I'll write a statement inside this. This out. Okay, this is non-static. Okay. Now I'll create a constructor for this particular block. So just this constructor, you can say block. Now, okay, inside the constructor, I'll use one more statement saying this is the constructor. Now I'll create a main method. Then, the main method. Just I'll compile this program and see the result. What is the result we will get? So I'll write Java C block.java. Then I'll run this particular program using Java command. So see, in this main method, I didn't create any object. So even though I'm not creating any object, now this static block is executed, right? So the static block always executed first without, or I can say without creating object, this static block will be executed, right? So when I create an object, so block class object, so then block B, okay, is equal to new block. I created object with the name B. Now I'll rerun the program. So when I see the output, so we'll get this is static block. This always already we've seen that the static block is always executed first. Then we'll get this. This is non-static block. That means now before executing a constructor, so this non-static block will be executed. After that, your constructor call will be done. So you'll get the constructor block. So now this is how the blocks are executed in the Java programming language. Now suppose if I create one more object, say B1, okay, is equal to new block. And save and run the program. Okay. So when I create a two object, we'll get two copies of this non-static blocks, but we get a single copy of a static block. Okay. Now the static blocks are executed only one time. Okay. Throughout the life cycle of a particular program. Okay. Now this is how the blocks are executed in a Java programming language.